Welcome rAVe to our digital signage booth number 1763 here in the Las Vegas Convention Center. rAVe Visual Solutions, we do two things. Most people know us for what we refer to as creative visual structures, but we also are the best in engineered screen solutions. What does that mean? Projectors are all very powerful, cost per lumens are dropping to very low amounts. But what we do is we add value by taking the screen and considering different design parameters, and in this case, contrast. So this screen is a form of what's called ambient light rejecting screen. And when I turn this flashlight on, you can see that it's seeing light, which is emanating from this short throw lens projector, onto this optical light rejecting screen. If I take the same light and I put it above, notice the way that it rejects the light from above. Hence, with a very low lumen projector, only 3,000 lumens, we're hitting an ambient light rejecting screen. And what we're doing here, just because it's fun, is we're doing a staggered of ambient light rejecting screens, because this whole package here is about $6,400 for a 100-inch diagonal screen. And from a digital signage standpoint, this is actually really cool, having it staggered both in terms of size and in different Z planes. We work with Jon9 of Holonyne for the content. Content is key. And again, I showed the flashlight trick, but what I could also do is I can take this single tile here, and if I rotate it 180 degrees, you notice now it's rejecting the light. And this one here, if content comes back on, this one here will see light, as you can see, and this one's actually much dimmer because now it's rejecting the projected light. And when I rotate it back around, there it is, big and bright and looking beautiful. So please do check us out whenever you need a screen that's engineered, a little bit creative, curved, tilted, embedded, frosted, any kind of ambient light rejecting screen. You can always get a lot more out of the screen than you can get out of the projector. Please check us out at www.rpvisuals.com, and thank you for coming by our booth.